This is going to be a presentation about the globalization of healthcare. So let's start with a question. What is globalization? Well, globalization is defined as a set of processes that are increasing interactions, deepening relationships, and accelerating interdependence across national borders. In layman's terms, this means that people and countries alike are becoming more and more interconnected. Of course, such interactions can have a multitude of both beneficial and detrimental effects upon a society. However, let's start with the positive aspects of globalization. First and foremost, globalization serves as a catalyst for cultural diffusion, and as a result, cultures have never been so aware of each other. This has led to increasing exchanges between different cultures, and borders have been made obsolete. Furthermore, technology has only amplified the interconnectedness of the world, with the creation of telecommunication devices such as the telephone and forms of multimedia. This has allowed countries across the world to send aid to other ailing countries, such as the Philippines after the tragic events caused by the super typhoon Haiyan. As a result, cooperation by nations across the world has prompted the creation of mutual international organizations, such as the United Nations and NATO. The World Health Organization, or the WHO, is an example of such organizations. It has been diffusing health crises across the world since 1948. Also, the diffusion and innovation of medicine in recent decades has forever transformed human life. This is to such an extent that humans on average are now expected to live 20% longer than they were only 50 years ago. Diffusion of American culture, or westernization, has also taken root around the globe. However, that may not be a good thing at all. Capitalistic ideology has only abused the newfound power that globalization imparts. This has caused serious problems in our everyday life, such as the increasing unemployment rate caused by the outsourcing of jobs. However, globalization has also proven detrimental to healthcare, as different peoples across the globe not only exchange ideas, but disease as well. Furthermore, a recent trend in the medical world is that of antibiotic resistance by diseases, which if kept unchecked could threaten human life. Diseases such as viruses and bacteria are becoming harder and harder to kill, to the point that modern medicine may not be able to treat previously treatable diseases. Furthermore, bacteria, through a complicated biological process, can share resistance genes, if you will, so that with every new generation they are becoming more and more resistant. As a result, medicine could become obsolete, and these killer diseases could cause pandemics and decimate the population. The increasing use of antibiotics has caused diseases like MRSA to become superbugs of sorts, which have become immune to modern medicine. For instance, antibiotic-resistant strains of pneumonia have become more and more common in recent years. Another example of this would be multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, which has spread across the globe through human interaction. Likewise, globalization has also caused for diseases to become widespread. For example, SARS, or severe acute respiratory syndrome, has become prolific in countries which previously had never seen it. However, even though the future seems grim, these problems can be resolved through widespread awareness, which is one of the advantages of globalization.